Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's March 22 and yes, it still is snowing here. Still snowing in Colorado. And good morning everyone. And today I'm gonna show you what I have. I cannot wait to wear my new Ray-Ban or Ray-Ban. I cannot wait in summer, so I wanna just try on now in this beautiful weather. So I got this one during Black Friday and it's a Black Friday price, and this is my first one of the Ray-Ban, and it's round, and look at that, it's beautiful. So let's try. The price is still there. Ooh, there's the name Ray-Ban right there. Shall we look around in the surrounding? I like it. I don't know. I don't know guys if you like it, but I like it. Pusing-pusing. Pusing-pusing muna tayo. There. I like it. And it's a Black Friday price. So, I can wait to wear this one on summer. Summer. Charot. Pa-char-char lang tao eh. Pasensya na. That's it everyone. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. Bye for now. It's coming out. The mountain is there. Sun is coming out.